India's Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on Monday informed the Parliament on COVID-19 situation and said that India has been able to limit its cases and deaths, which is one of the lowest in the world as compared to similarly affected countries. India's coronavirus cases surged to 4.85 million on Monday. India recorded 92,071 new cases of the coronavirus, taking total cases to 4.85 million. With this latest spike, the coronavirus cases across the country stand at 4.8,046,428. Maharashtra continues to be the worst affected state from the infection, with 280,138 active cases. Speaking on the country's fight against coronavirus, Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on Monday told Lok Sabha, the lower house of the parliament, that the rate of infection has been low in India. He also informed the parliament that India has been able to limit its cases and deaths.
With our endeavour to manage COVID-19 through a whole of government and whole of society approach, India has been able to limit its cases and deaths per million to 3,328 cases per million and 55 deaths per million population respectively, which is one of the lowest in the world as compared to similarly affected countries.
Meanwhile, metro rail services in eastern Kolkata city resumed on Monday after a gap of more than 5 months. The regular services were suspended due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Under the new reservation system, metro services have to book e-passes through an app before they take a ride. This has been done to restrict the number of passengers boarding a train. In capital New Delhi, gyms and yoga institute have been permitted except in containment zones with immediate effect, subject to strict compliance with the standard operating procedure.